Sit comfortable. Place one hand on your heart and one on your belly. Inhale, fill the belly with air. Exhale, let it go. Again, inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Feel the rise and fall of your breath. You are safe in this moment. Let's get ready for seated cat-cow pose. Start off placing your hands on your knees. Inhale, lifting your heart and rolling back the shoulders. Exhale, rounding the spine and tucking the chin. Let's do this for a few more breaths. Breathe out the tension. Let's go back to seated pose for our seated side stretch. Let's begin with placing your right hand down beside you. Reach your left arm overhead, stretch that side of the body. Let's repeat on the other side. Remember to stay soft. Breathe into the space you are creating. Let your breath guide you as you move gently with care. Now, let's extend our legs forward. Keep a soft bend in the knees and slowly fold over the legs. Let the head hang heavy. You don't have to reach far, just surrender. Let go of any pressure to be anywhere else but here. Let go of the pressure to be perfect. Let go of the pressure to be the perfect parent. Let go of the pressure to be the perfect daughter. Let go of the pressure to be the perfect son. Let go of the need to always have the right answer, the right plan, the right words. You are worthy even when you aren't performing, producing, or fixing. This pose invites you to surrender, not because you are giving up, but because you are letting go. Next is child's pose. Knees wide and forehead resting on the earth. Let your body melt here. Feel the support beneath you. This is your safe place to release. Let go of the day, the noise, the tension. Just allow your body to rest. With every exhale, feel yourself soften a little more. If your mat had arms, it would be hugging you right now. Stay here as long as you need. Use your hands to walk up slowly. Take your time here. There's no rush. Lie down or return to a seated pose, whichever feels good to you. Feel your breath. Feel your body. Feel your calm returning. Repeat silently or out loud. I am safe. I am grounded. I am at peace. I am more than my anxious thoughts. I am allowed to feel and heal. I am releasing what no longer serves me. I am creating space for joy. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. If this helped you feel more grounded, please subscribe and return whenever your heart needs a reset. Namaste.